Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to split and delete in CapCut. Splitting and deleting parts of a video in CapCut is an essential editing technique. Here's how to do it on Android. Open the CapCut app on your Android device, tap on your project, and choose the video you want to edit from your gallery, then tap on Add. Tap on the video clip in the timeline to choose it. Drag the white playhead, the vertical line, to the point in the video where you want to make the split. In the bottom menu, tap the split option, the skisses icon. This will divide your video into two separate clips at the playhead position. After splitting the video, tap on the portion you want to remove. Then tap the delete button at the bottom to remove the selected portion from the timeline. Play the video to ensure the remaining portions are what you want. If you need to remove more parts of the video, you can repeat the split and delete steps. And when you're satisfied with the changes, just tap on upward arrow in the top right corner to export your editing video. By following these steps, you can easily split and delete parts of a video in CapCut, giving you more control over the content and flow of your video. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.